Hi, this is Lara at Elliott Wave Stock Market with your twice weekly Apple analysis. This analysis is done Tuesday, 2nd of July after market close for Monday the 1st. I'm recording this video nearly 1 AM New York time on Tuesday the 2nd. The new banner picture up for this month at Elliott Wave Stock Market is a crop of part of a picture taken off the deck of where I live. This is the Pacific Ocean and this is Sail Rock in the middle at dusk. Looking all very wintry. It's rather cold down here at the moment. This is my daily wave count, which remains the same for Apple. I'm expecting it's in a big super cycle zigzag structure, and within that it's in cycle wave A, which is unfolding as a 5-wave impulse at primary degree. Within cycle wave A we have primary 1, 2 and primary 3 will reach 1.618, the length of primary 1 at 272, that target getting closer but still a couple of months or so away, maybe a bit longer. Within primary wave 3 we have intermediate waves 1 and 2 complete, and intermediate wave 3 is incomplete. When I have the ends of minor waves 3 and 4 within it, I'll calculate a midterm target for this to end. I can't do that yet because minor waves 3 and 4 aren't over. Let's have a look at this structure on the hourly chart where the start of mini-wet wave 3 and the end of mini-wet wave 1 here is this low and this high right up here. So we have within minor wave 3, 1, 2, within minute 3, 1, 2, 3 may be just complete and 4 may be unfolding is a relatively shallow zigzag. Mini-wet wave 2 was a relatively deep zigzag, so I'd expect 4 to show alternation in either or structure or depth. It may be showing alternation in depth, maybe not so much in structure. For this one, the A and C waves were reasonably close to equality. For this one, we may see some alternation within the structure. They may both be zigzags, but maybe the A and C waves will have quite different proportions. I have seen that happen sometimes. I would expect this fourth wave to probably reach close to the 0.382 Fibonacci ratio of 413.91, and it can't move back into wave 1 price territory above 432.77. I've considered various different possibilities. Depending on how we see this downwards movement, and I'm going with this wave count because this wave here and this wave here subdivide best on the 5-minute chart as zigzags, which fits quite nicely as an ending diagonal. It is also possible maybe to see them as impulses, and we could have mini-wet wave 3 could be over here, 4, 5, we could have pink or minute wave 3 over here, and this upwards fourth wave correction could be minute wave 4, 1 degree higher. There's not really much difference in how we expect it to unfold next though, which is why I'm not presenting that chart. The invalidation point would be a bit different, it would be up here, and the target would be just a little bit slightly higher, not too much. We'd still need a 3-wave structure down for a B wave and a 5-wave structure up for a C wave, which would be quite likely to move at least a little bit beyond the end of the A wave to avoid a truncation. If this is unfolding as a zigzag, then we have a 5, we need a 3 down and a 5 up. Sub-mini-wet wave B may not move beyond the start of A below 388.87. So my last analysis expected more downwards movement for Apple to a target at between 392 to 390. Prices moved down to 388.87, $1.13 below that small target zone before turning on upwards quite strongly. I'm expecting that this upwards movement is just the start of a fourth wave correction, which is incomplete. It may be over in another 1 or 2 days, and then we should see the resumption of the downwards trend. That's all from me today with your Apple analysis. This analysis will be updated again at the end of the week.